Hello coffee enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of precision and convenience with the TIMEMORE Manual Coffee Grinder, featuring a stainless steel espresso coffee bean grinder with the Chestnut C3 Spanish Pesetas internal adjustable setting. This grinder offers refined grinding with its conical burr, allowing you to customize your coffee grounds to perfection. Its CNC stainless steel conical burr ensures consistent and precise grinding, making your coffee-making process more efficient and effortless. With a practical capacity of 20 grams, this grinder enhances the quality of your coffee with minimal effort, and cleaning is a breeze with just a small brush, ensuring your coffee remains fresh and full of flavor. Whether you're at home, traveling, or camping, this portable grinder is perfect for coffee lovers who want to enjoy freshly ground pour-over or espresso coffee anywhere. So, elevate your coffee experience with the TIMEMORE Manual Coffee Grinder, where precision meets convenience, and savor every sip of your perfectly brewed coffee. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.